Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Amy, your teacher here, and today we are going to learn about insects. So, there are bugs and there are insects. Something special makes an insect, so we have to read our book and find out what is different between a bug and an insect. To be an insect, you have to have very specific things, specific body parts. So, let's learn about them. This bug is called Bug Parts. This is a nonfiction book. Do you remember what nonfiction means? It means it's real. All the information inside this book is real. It's not a pretend story. It's not pretend characters. It's all real. Real photos and real information. Okay, let's get started. Bug parts. Meet the bugs. There are many different types of bugs. There's lots of different bugs. Bugs have different body parts. This grasshopper has a head and legs. They have different kinds of bodies. Spiders have two body parts. 1, 2. A spider has two body parts. An insect has 3 body parts. 1, 2, 3. They have a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. So, an insect must have 3 body parts. So, is a spider an insect? No, because it only has 2. Bugs do not have backbones. Some bugs have shells. Some have shells to keep them safe. Insects have 6 legs. So to be an insect, you have to have 3 body parts, a head, a thorax, and an abdomen, and 6 legs, like this ladybug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now look at this. Here's a spider. A spider has 8 legs. So if an insect has 6 legs and a spider has 8 legs, is a spider an insect? No, it's not. It has too many legs. How many legs too many does it have? If you need to be an insect have 6 legs and a spider has 8, it has 2 too many, right? 6, 7, 8. Millipedes have lots of legs, so they have way too many legs to be an insect. And worms have no legs at all. They have 0 legs. Some bugs have wings. Remember we learned some of them have hard wings and soft wings? And bugs use their wings to fly, like this dragonfly. Some bugs use their wings to scare birds away. So birds or other animals eat insects and bugs, so sometimes they have to hide by blending in with the trees or blending in with their environment. Do you remember what that word is called? Camouflage. Good job. Some bugs use their wings to hide, so he's blending in to hide from the animals that might eat them. Some bugs have antennas. They have 1, 2, and that's how they smell and feel and touch, remember? Bugs use antennas to feel, taste, and smell. Do we use antennas to feel, taste, and smell? No, we use our hands, our nose, and our mouth to feel, taste, and smell. I wonder what they use to hear. Some bugs can sting. Like a bee, they have a stinger. And some bugs can bite. Centipedes bite with claws. What was that other insect we learned about that had pinchers or claws on them, remember? It was called an earwig. So an earwig and a centipede both have those pinchers. Insects can be all different sizes. There's a moth, a ladybug, and a millipede. Which one is the biggest? The moth. And which one is the smallest? The ladybug. Over here at the end of the book, we have something called the picture glossary. So, it has pictures of an antenna, a backbone, an insect, and a shell. And then it gives you the definition of them. So sometimes in nonfiction books, there's words that we might not know what they mean. So there's like a little dictionary in the back of the book. So it says antenna, long, thin feeler on the head of an insect. Backbone, row of bows down the middle of the back. Insect, Very small creature with 6 legs. In a shell, a hard body covering. So there's some definitions in the back of the nonfiction book. This is all real information. So see if you can remember what makes an insect. How many legs and how many body parts? I bet you can remember. See you next time. Bye.